Let's see if then. Hold on, hold on. Oh, I think I need my earphones for that. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. All right, I'm gonna give some people a few seconds here. Mm, 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 mm. I think I'm gonna start sticking to the smaller time frames. All right, I got someone here. All right, so if you guys are watching, yes, I do trade gold. I will be doing a gold analysis for it, yeah. I was planning on doing a recap on my trades for the new strategy, but I don't want to give it away too quick just yet until I figure it out, Mr. Mark. So once I get more data on it, I'll give you guys a strategy. But it's a quick sneak peek. I'll give you a quick sneak peek, Mr. Mark. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. So this was one of the trades, but it was gonna go a little further down, but I wasn't managing it. But anyways, back to the analysis part. So morning, y'all. Blessings to you guys. Let's see here. Let me start off with Nas. Okay, so if you're in the Discord, you already know. I sent out an analysis, and that was on the 12-hour. But my short-term bias, I wasn't too sure of it, and but my long-term is still bullish. Um, so that's that. And let's see here. Give me a sec. It's weird. Hold on. Okay, that's just weird. So yeah, long term, very bullish. Now, this is a fair value gap that I was saying I wasn't sure if price retracing into, but it looks like it did, and now we're getting some solid momentum. So I think we're gonna go back up to maybe take out those highs here. So that might be the next target for the week. Or what I mean, what I do know for sure is we're going up. We already retraced into the fair value gap. So this fair value gap is no longer something we have to worry about now. Let's see if I can make this a little more. There you go. Okay. Yep. So we retraced into it. Now we're gonna go and take out some highs, some external highs. This is on the 8-hour. And hopefully we're gonna target this this fib level. So we'll see. We'll see. So let me send this into the Discord for you guys. Let's see here. Not much to an analysis, if I'm being completely honest with you. Probably gonna start doing them more on the 8-hour, just because I seem to get more, a little bit more detail. So price did retrace into respecting it. Good to go to the upside. So if you haven't seen my intermediate to advanced market structure video, you have to, because it'll give you a way better grasp on the market and how I look at it. So definitely check it out. It'll help out a lot with the weekly analysis and stuff like that. Let me change the date on this actually. 01, not 01, 09. Okay. All right. So yeah, not much to it, y'all. Everything's being respected. Ain't nothing crazy. Ain't nothing crazy. Let me check the Rumble real quick. Okay, cool. Now, what's the next one that I needed to check? GU. GU. Actually, I'll check. I'll probably check gold first. Let's check gold first. Okay, so what is this? This is supposed to be. Oh yeah, that's okay. That's an 8-hour, but this is a 12-hour. This is a 12-hour fair value gap. So we got 12-hour fair value gap here. Okay. Looks like price respected the 12-hour fair value gap, so that's a good sign. Right. Not only did it respect it, seems to be reacting pretty good from it. Looks like I got some fair value gaps here. The price seems to be tapping into. Ah, crap. Come on. So we got another fair value gap there. God, that's annoying. I'm not even gonna mess with it. Anyways, so yeah, we're on gold right now. I'm on the 8-hour. As you can see, price was basically consolidating throughout the whole trading week. Not very cool. Right. Some some consolidation. So very, very, very bad price action. Very bad price action for gold. I don't think I traded anything on gold for last week. I think the week before I did. Let me see. Did I trade the? I think I did, right? And I gave you guys, yeah. So I told you guys about that. But I mean, the price action on gold has not been very good at all. So we're waiting for a breakout towards the upside. But for now, even in this consolidation, I would be only looking for buys. I'm going to show you guys how one way that you can trade consolidation here. And if I'm telling you if you're gonna look for buys in the consolidation, oh, give me a second here. Give me a second, guys. Okay, never mind. Sorry about that, guys. So, anyways, yeah, if you're gonna trade in a consolidation, fixing my chair. Sorry. And I'm telling you, okay, I'm looking for buys only because of the overall bias, the type 1 market structure. I would suggest going either on the 15-minute, the lows would be the 5-minute. And since we already know this fair value gap is being tapped into, and it's the lowest point of this market structure in the 15 minutes. So if we're saying, okay, type 1 market structure on the 15-minute is this, is all this right here, right? This would be type 2 because of the small pullbacks and the small highs and all this and that, right? So overall market structure, type 1 market structure on the 15 is this, like that, right? So that's the type 1 that I just outlined. So we're gonna wait for price to go in an area of, this case, discount, and then some momentum saying, hey, we're gonna go back up now. Tap into the fair value gap. Price action slowing down. That right there is a great sign. This strong bullish candle. Now you could either enter here because they also have an overlapping order block right here, right? You could enter there, or you could wait for some more momentum, but just for this example, I'll enter here. I mean, it's already hindsight. You can place it here. You can place stop loss here, just under the order block. And then you can target the middle of the consolidation, which is at price, run, play out, and hopefully it'll come back up to the middle portion. But yeah, that's just one way. So let's see. Anyways, back to the 8-hour. When it comes to gold right now, I would only be looking for buys. Again, I would only be looking for buys. But since price is clearly consolidating, I would be very, very careful, man. I don't like this consolidation here, man. Okay. But if you're gonna trade in the consolidation, should get some buys in, maybe scalp on that lower time frame. But I'm waiting for price to break out from here, hopefully to the upside. Okay. So that's my analysis on gold. We're not gonna go any further down this 12-hour fair value gap. I know that. I'm fairly confident about it. 90% confident. You cannot be 100% confident in anything. So let me add that here. I don't want the image. I want the link. I want the link. Eight out. 8 out. Okay, so for value gap, value gap on the 12-hour was tapped into and respect this or no? But price has been consolidated. I would rather you wait. Then price. I'm gonna start attaching the links, the links for the live streams on the analysis as well, because I mean it would make more sense. Okay, so yeah, if you guys want to be safe, wait for the price to break out of the consolidation, and I'm expecting it to break out towards the upside, but if we start breaking past these lows right here with some aggressiveness towards it, like with some displacement, then we're probably gonna start looking for possibility of sells. But for now, I'm still pretty bullish on gold. Generally, it's a very bullish pair, anyways. Okay, so the next one was, I believe it was GU. Yeah, GBP USD. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'll do that. I actually have to do a recap. Dang it. Okay. Where's GU? Okay, so that one played out. Okay, so it looks like GU, we're kind of bearish, obviously. We're making some pullbacks, but we violated the fair value gap here. So that is a strong indicator that we might be bearish to make a deep retracement. So like it respected this demand zone, but maybe the rest of the week we're gonna start looking for some sells. Or price might respect this is a big might respect this order block. I'm not sure. It all depends on what price tells me or gives me. I'd be very careful looking for buys. Okay, so this is a 12-hour order block. Let me. This was I believe it was an 8-hour. So honestly, guys, my bias for GU. You know what? Let me look at the Dixie. Well, we reached the lowest point on the Dixie, so like I said, I don't really use the dollar, but in this very particular case, normally I'd just leave it alone and say, yeah, I'm not trading GU. But since I'm very curious, I'm thinking GU might keep going down because the dollar's gonna go up. So yeah, maybe we might be bearish for sure. So you know what? I'm expecting this order block to not hold. So if you are gonna trade GU, I would look for some sells because we have violation of the 8-hour fair value gap. We're tapping into the 12-hour order block. I'm not seeing any momentum towards the upside right now. So it's possible we're gonna be slightly bearish for the rest of the week, the upcoming week. So we might get something like this. Right? Might. Um, so just be very careful trading G. If I honestly, if I was you guys, I just avoid it. I would avoid it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Short-term bias, bearish. Long-term bias, definitely bearish. I would rather you trade this pair, but it's up to you. Since on this pair right now. So it's up to you guys if you want to trade GU. I would rather you didn't though. I would much rather you didn't. Um, what was the next one that I needed to do? I think that was the last one. I don't think I had to do anything else. Yeah, okay. So I actually do have to do a recap. So I have to do a recap. Let me start off with Euro UD. So this was part of the sniper swing. So sadly, my analysis failed me. But if you are in the Discord, you'll notice in the case studies I actually took a short-term short using sniper swing. But I was hoping for this target to get hit. But sadly, it did not play in my favor. But that is okay. I'm gonna put a crying emoji on this one. Next is EuroCAD. EuroCAD almost played out. But what I ended up doing is I ended up moving my stop loss to break even on this one. I just don't know what happened to my position manager. What the heck? Where did it go? Okay, but point is, I was targeting this, and I ended up moving my stop loss to break even around this candle, around the formation of this candle. So I didn't actually take any position off, which is the bad part. I know in my strategy I told you guys you don't have to move your stop loss to break even. But in this case, I was like, you know, what the heck? I don't lose anything for moving it to break even because I was sure and confident that I was going to hit TP. and I did not take a single position out. So either way, this is kind of a loss for me in the sense that I didn't make any money, but I didn't lose any. So I'm still gonna label that one as a loss. And then Euro Chef, hold on, what happened to all my stuff? Jesus. Okay. Well, this one was supposed to be like this. Hold on, guys. Okay. So I have a position currently running on this one as well. Again, I don't know what the heck happened to my freaking position manager, but it's something like this. Okay. So if this one makes it, I'll make up for the loss and for the break even on Euro Chef. So fingers crossed. Fingers super crossed on this one. I don't remember if I have anything else that I took in terms of sniper swing. I mean, probably gonna have to start looking into taking more trades with it though. But I've been so busy trying to make the new strategy as well, so kind of the loss is already made up for it anyways with the new strategy. But yeah, guys, I think that's all I got for you for now. Um, what else can I add here for you guys? I mean, there's really nothing else other than maybe giving you guys some trade ideas for Nas, but I mean, it's pretty straightforward here, guys. I mean, just watching price react off of demand zones. But anyways, if you have any more questions, man, let me know. Let me know in the live chats. Let me know in the Discord. Let me know through a pigeon. I don't know. Just let me know. Okay. I want to do the live streams, and I also want to make sure that you guys are cool with what you see, that you understand what I'm giving you, um, so on and so forth. But aside from that, ladies and gents, that's all I have for you. Take care, God bless, and I will see you guys in the next one. And I've got some more good content coming up. All right. Peace, y'all. God bless. And happy Sunday.